I'm Jono Buchanan, and welcome to FaderPro's Science of Sound course on bus processing. Have you ever wondered how to get that kind of knitted together, glued sound within your mixes? Well, this course is going to help you, and it's going to do that by recognizing that sounds often work well when we group them together. Drums are a perfect example. What we need to do with our drums, maybe from a compression or an EQ or a spatial perspective, might differ from the settings that we need for vocals or for synths or for basses. So what we're going to do on this course is we're going to take all of our drums and learn how to harness their power before we then move on to the next instrument group. And each time we're going to add sophistication to our mixes before everything comes together at the output stage, with the mix feeling bigger, stronger, and more powerful as a result. It turns out that stereo buses are useful for all kinds of things, and we're going to explore all of those creative options on this course. Firstly, we're going to learn how to set up an auxiliary stereo bus. We're going to learn about bus compression. We're going to learn about bus EQ. We're going to learn about bus reverb. We're going to learn what happens when we add stereo width to particular buses within our projects. And we're going to look at the final, ultimate stereo output bus, learning how to configure an output channel solution to maximize our mixes at the final stage. The power of stereo busing crosses musical genres. This isn't just a series of processes to use in tech house or in techno or in pop music. The techniques that you're going to learn on this course are applicable regardless of the musical genres you like to make. So when you finish watching this course, your mixes will be ready to take the next step on their musical journey. So join me and let's unlock all of the power of stereo bus processing.